guys, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about another coin that will be listed on LBank. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, here it is. The Wafine coin will be listed soon on LBank. The Wafi is an innovative project that builds a decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem through farm management, blending the engaging experience of a mobile game with global financial inclusion. So the Wafi is the main coin for the game farm today. In its powerful coin, capable of increasing your profits through P2E. The Farm Today game is currently available on Google Play and App Store. The game involved in raising cute chickens and using items to obtain eggs. Eggs obtained in the game can be converted into FP, an in-game point. When accessing the wallet, linked to the game, the Fafi coins and FP within the wallet are exchanged. So the game, starting with the egg, leads to FP points, then Fafi coins, and finally to the LBank exchange, allowing to monetization and egg FP5 flowchart. This is actually the game that anyone can enjoy. The speed at which you obtain eggs varies depending on the amount of in-game items used, and you can earn FP through in-game minigames. An event is also currently underway where you can receive 10% of the eggs your friends earn if you refer them. If you keep an eye on it, you will have another opportunity to earn money through P2E game. Alright guys, so before we wrap up this video, the value of building internet solution here, the Fi delivers information and value to more people through blockchain-based internet solution, enabling economic opportunities to spread more equitably across borders. They have social impact, cross-border payments, and exclusive financial assets. Also have a innovative crypto solution, collaborative vision, and the role of bridge based on game user. Fafi's most powerful differentiator is in role as a bridge that leads up to financial expansion through securing game users, guys. Okay? So investing in the future of finance since 2024, Fafi is collaborated with top blockchain developers to expand solution and ecosystems, leading the charge in building financial system that creates value through the internet, guys. Okay, so if you have more questions, you can visit the website on the link on my description down below, and always do your own research before doing anything else. So again, this is Crypto saying bye-bye.